is vital to have awareness of the most healthful foods to ensure a wide range of nutrients in the diet. A balanced diet is a secret to healthy eating. We don't have time to be chasing for a golden fountain of health and youth, but we do have time to make a few swaps or additions in our daily life that can add up to a whole host of health benefits. With the health and wellness industry becoming a bit overwhelming, in today's video, we will be showing you some products to keep you healthy. Without further ado, let's begin. Slimware Sunburst Yellow Portion Conscious Dinner Plate. Think these plates are simply embellished with a floral design? Look a little closer. They are actually designed to make eyeballing correct portion sizes easy and aesthetically pleasing on your dinner table. Each of the flowers corresponds to the proper portion size for the three main components of a healthy meal: vegetables, carbs, and protein, ensuring your portion sizes are on point without the need to meticulously measure everything. You can even use these plates at a dinner party, and no one would ever know the difference. Weight Watchers Portion Control Wine Glasses. Liquids are another sneaky source of calories that add up fast and can derail an otherwise healthy diet. If you're attempting to cut back without giving up your vino completely, Weight Watchers is here to help. Their new portion control wine glasses include discrete etched lines that indicate 5 ounces, 6 ounces, and 8 ounces. Servings to make watching your pour easier. The design is discreet, so no one else will even realize you're watching your portions, but provide a nice reminder as to exactly how much you're imbibing. Now that deserves a toast. 8 Cup Smart Bottle. Drinking more water helps to curb cravings and reduce appetite, and is especially important in staying hydrated if you're ramping up your exercise routine. But it can be difficult to reach that coveted 8 glasses per day goal. Employ a smart bottle to help. This one, by 8 Cups, combines a visual notification with the tracking mechanism of other smart water bottles, without the need to have your phone nearby, by alerting you when you need to drink through the app, and with an LED light on the actual bottle that blinks when your body needs water, based on analysis of your water intake pattern. The bottle will track your drinking patterns so that you can more easily see exactly how much and how often you're drinking, and work towards increasing your intake. It also charges wirelessly in 3 to 4 hours, so it'll be ready to go each morning. Nokia Body Cardio Smart Scale. Pounds aren't always the best measure of health, especially when you're on a weight loss journey. That's why we love the Nokia Body Cardio Smart Scale, which also tracks other important measures of health like BMI, body fat composition, muscle and bone mass, body water percentage, and heart rate. It also downloads information to a free app, so you can easily see health and weight trends at a glance and make informed changes to your habits. Plus, it automatically distinguishes between 8 user profiles, so everyone in the family can get in on the tracking fun. The Inspiralizer. Spiralizing is an easy way to get creative with veggies and keep your healthy meals interesting, while warding off pasta cravings. Made by Ali Mafucci, the queen of specializing and the woman behind the popular blog Inspiralized. The Inspiralizer is an easy-to-use gadget featuring 4 settings: wide, fettuccine, linguine, and spaghetti, making it easy to create different noodle shapes without having to switch out blades. It's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning and is also compact, taking up minimal counter space. The benefits of spiralizing are obvious: fewer carbs and calories, more veggies, and a way to get creative with your recipes in the kitchen. TRX Suspension Trainer Kit. Making it to the gym isn't always possible, but by having this suspension trainer system, you have a total body workout at your fingertips, literally anytime, any place. So now what's your excuse for missing a workout? In addition to an upgrade suspension anchor, door anchor, and a workout guide, it offers a 1-year subscription to the TRX app, which features in-ear audio coaching, personalized biometric data reading, and more than 80 workouts, including suspension training, heat, yoga, and running. A study published in the journal Human Movement Science found that doing a suspended push-up using TRX bands activated the abdominals 184% more than doing a standard push-up. Hello, New Year's body. SodaStream Aqua Fizz. For those who are battling a soda addiction or struggle to drink enough water, the SodaStream Aqua Fizz is a must-have. the newest in SodaStream's line of sparkling water makers. It turns plain, boring water into a carbonated delight. A study conducted by SodaStream found that owners drink 43% more water than non-owners, so you're bound to get closer to your daily dose. It requires no electricity and features a streamlined design and 2 elegant, reusable glass carafes that are totally display-worthy, so you can keep them on your countertop as a visual reminder to pour yourself a glass. Fitbit Ionic Smartwatch. An impressive new fitness offering from the popular wearables company, the Fitbit Ionic Smartwatch offers a slew of activity tracking goodies, including step, heart rate, sleep, calorie, and distance tracking, as well as music playlist storage and sync, Fitbit wallet for payments, Starbucks and Pandora apps, fitness coaching, GPS and email, and text message notifications. The watch is also water-resistant up to 50 meters, and its built-in sensors automatically start and pause activity tracking, so you can take all of the extra work out of exercise and get right to your workout. Click and grow the Smart Garden 9. One way to eat more vegetables? Grow your own. And it doesn't get more local than your own kitchen. This black thumb-proof starter kit features automatic watering and lighting and comes with 9 plant pods with nutrients and seeds, lettuce, basil, and tomato to start growing right away. If you fall in love with the supply of homegrown organic produce, the company also offers a plant stand that holds 3 of these mini gardens. Experience the benefits of having your own garden, no matter where you live. Grow 100% organic herbs, fruits, salads, and flowers, free from GMOs and pesticides, fresher than any plants you'll find in stores. Thanks to its energy-efficient LED lighting system, the Smart Garden 9 only consumes 13 watt of power. Perfect amount of nutrients and oxygen at the root level. The companion app to become a plant expert. Choose from 50-plus pre-seeded plant pods from our selection, or use your own seeds. Aware Element Indoor Air Quality Monitor. Worried your cleaning supplies are emitting too many chemicals? Element will let you know if your Vox are high, so you can turn on an air filter or open windows. Aware Element can help maintain healthy air for homes, schools, and businesses. Find out what solution is right for you. Outdated HVAC systems may not ventilate PM 2.5 or CO2 enough. Make sure your children get the best air they can for their cognitive development. Reassure employees or customers. Whether for offices, retail, or co-working spaces, no matter what business you're in, keep people safer. CO2 can make you drowsy. Increase your productivity and overall well-being with better air quality in your home and home office. Prep Naturals glass meal prep containers. Meal prepping lunches ahead of time increases the likelihood that you will stick to a healthy diet, decreasing the temptation of free food in the office kitchen or ordering takeout. Make meal prep easier and more appealing by investing in a container beyond your standard Tupperware. The glass container had an airtight seal, so you can toss it in your bag without fear of spillage. Reusable cutlery in the lid for convenient meals on the go. And 3 separate compartments that allow you to pack a different mix of foods to keep things interesting. Plus, it's microwave, oven, and freezer safe, so you can meal prep ahead of time. Freeze it until you're ready to eat, and then pop it in the microwave at the office. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.